Hi guys, greetings from Family Chef to you. Today we're just going to make a palm nut soup. Okay, I have my goat meat that I smoke. This is smoke, okay, and cow feet. If you smoke, it's better. You take all the excess fat out. And I have my crab, and of course my blue fish. I smoked it yesterday. And if you come here, I have my mushrooms, I have my mini pepper. You can use red bell pepper. This mini pepper, I tell you, sweet mini pepper, don't pass by. Anytime you see this pepper, buy it. It have vitamins and nutrients. Very, very good. And I have my tomatoes, of course. I have hot pepper, Jamaica pepper. I have onions and my ginger. I'm going to wash everything and put it together. Quick. Greetings from me to you. Because this has been washed before, I dry them. It's going straight in the pan because I wash it before I dry them in the oven. Alright. I'm going to wash the crab. The crab needs to be washed well, really well. I'm using this to wash the crab. Now, if you are using crab to cook, make sure you cut this off. Oh, it comes out. It's okay. You see how I did this? I cut it off so the soup or everything will go in. Well, so we are going to season it. That's it. You see, I have my ginger and onions. Give it a little salt. So I'm going to let this crab saute for 5 minutes. I'm going to put a little fresh onion on top. Alright, let's cover it. Let's put a little sprinkle of onion, cut up onions. This will stay. And there. Smells so good, my goodness. And this, you see here, I have my red bell mini pepper. This is going to boil, and I'll blend it and put it in with a palm soup base. Okay, so let's cover it and let it steam. All right. Let's put 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. That's it. You don't have to if you don't have tomato paste. Tomato paste will give you the thickness of the soup. Right, so let's get our palm base ready. Put it on. You see, our pepper is cooked. You remember the mini pepper I show you? It's cooked. Let's have this blender. Put it in. It's going to blend. Okay. Let's see. Our pepper has blended. Let's pour it on top of the steamed meat. Alright. This is the peppers, the mini pepper and the hot pepper. Let's get the palm ready. Meanwhile, I have my kettle here. I'm trying to heat the water to get the palm paste ready. Alright, now we are going to open our palm paste. See how it looks? You need to mix it up with warm water. If you don't mix it well, if you don't mix it with hot water, it doesn't cook fast. right, let's pour some of the hot water in here. Go back here. Okay. Now the pepper is boiling. Let's grab our palm nuts paste, pour it in here. All right. A benkwan has set. Okay. I'm going to wash the pan and put it in because it's still thick. If you get a big pan, you can use 2 containers. It depends how many people are eating it. You can use any brand, your choice. Okay, this is in kunami that I'm using. All right, my 2 tomatoes will go in. I'm going to add 1 onions. Okay, I'm adding 1 onions. Okay, I'm using purple onion for reason. If you want to use white onion, that's fine. The purple onion have very, very mild taste. That's what I like. So I'm going to cover this and let it boil a little bit. For a little boil, maybe 10 minutes, then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, let's check our soup. Oh my goodness gracious. It looks so good. I'm going to take the onions and the tomatoes out and blend it. All right, it's time to blend it. Do you remember the blue fish I showed you? Oh my God, as I'm told, this fish is going in. Maybe I should break it into 2 because it's too big. All right. This is adjourned from Ghana. If you put it in fast, it will be all gone. So I'll wait until almost ready. And do you remember the beginning of the show? I showed you the mushroom. The mushroom is going in, and I have my purple and light purple eggplant. This eggplant is very good. Try this or that. If you have diabetes, your sugar level is so high, please try to eat this. You will be so amazed how your sugar level will go down. Please, I want to remind you, this fish, when I was smoking it, I washed it already, so it doesn't need to be washed. Okay, the mushrooms in. If you want, you can cut your mushroom, cut it smaller pieces. This onion and tomatoes is going to blend. Then I'll cut this in pieces and put it in. Oh my goodness gracious. I blend my onions and tomatoes. So I put it in. Because the onions and tomatoes is cooked already, it's going to only cook for 5 minutes. Alright, I'll boil this for 5 minutes. And this time, I can put my adjourn here. I told you this adjourn will go last minute because I don't want it to get mush or disappear. So this adjourn and tomatoes and onion will cook for 5 minutes. Let's put our purple eggplant in. Let's put our okra in. Oh my goodness gracious. If you add all this to your soup, say goodbye to diabetes, high blood pressure, and all these diseases because you loaded with very good stuff. Okay, the okra, the eggplant, the tomatoes and onion, because it's cooked already. This soup is going to boil for only 5 or 8 minutes. Then done. Aye pinsum, aye dehe, aye faka. Already now go. Coin be a de. Sha nehuri. Bia tia. Kotoni tui. Bia da na kom kama. Sisi ade wo hwe a. Yenkwa no aben. Nti me babe dumja no. Na ya hwe de de babe ye. The soup is ready. It's ready. Together it cook about 25 to 30 minutes, okay? Okay, guys. Now it's chop time. It's chop time. Oh my goodness gracious. Come fufu papa bi. Let's see what is in here. Oh my goodness gracious. Adrena ye pinso. Nkotodwe no so ye pinso. Den kra na menyi kra na nka den. Me di makomienu bi gumu. Enkwan ya kono. Mi mre nsu tuatua. Kotono we bra. Ni kotono so mmia so. Wedi nyankopon aduane yakono. Makwa bi ni so aye pinsom. Ni bluefish no so na toa so no. Hwe, so makwa bi ni konja no. Oni bluefish ni nyina eko mu pe. Aduane yakono. Aye pinsom. Na wunkuma nso ni. Wedi nyankopon. Udi aduane we ya. Obeda akase menya diabetes. Obeda akase menya blood pressure because the niema eti apo ankasa na odi egu aduane ne mu. This is the end of my soup. Everything is in tight. But you want to you know. We are no washing nyadwa no so no twetwe no. Nyadwa na ye pinso. Aede. Sebidia piaso. Ewurade nyankopon. Eni asanto es kitchen. Aha, ena mede mo besi o. Me be memene fufuo yi. Na emom no edidie de empekasa. Enkwan ya ka nyina so si ho mame. Na she that to ton na mo kama inti srade ni nyina free mo. What I'm saying is that I put the meat in my oven, so I dry off all the excess fat in the soup. So this soup is very, very, very healthy because I use healthy ingredients. All right, so this is the end of my show. Please, if you like what I'm doing, subscribe to my channel for me, please, and share to people for me.